Hi guys, it's Anne Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a fun collaboration video with NBeads, and I've partnered up with them before, so I'm so excited to come back and do this again. I'm going to show you some of the products that I received, and I will leave a coupon code down below if you are interested in any of these items. They ship really fast, and I am pleasantly pleased with all of the items I picked up in this incoming. So let's get started on the items. I have these fun iridescent candy beads, and these are so sweet, and I can't wait to make some fun tassels with them. These are the perfect little different variety pack. Get all these fun colors. Again, so perfect for all your crafting. I also have these little poinsettia charms, and I did pick up a lot of Christmas items because we are in full holiday mode, and these are so pretty. They are in sturdy metal, and these are so pretty. I think you can even add some Nuvo drops to give it a little pop to the silver backing. I also picked up these snowflake beads. I did pick these up in the last one, but I love them so much, and these are so pretty. They are iridescent. They have a wide hole on these, so you can add them to your tassels. Again, super pretty finish, and you get an array of colors in this huge bag of beads. I also got this die set, which I was really kind of pleased with. It is a holiday border set, so you get this little bell. This is a poinsettia, and it does not actually cut out the edges. It does only emboss, which I thought was really different and interesting. This one's kind of a snowflakey feel, and I already did die cut them out, so you can see that here. Here is the poinsettia, again, embossed, so it doesn't cut out, but I do love that you can make a fun little texture. Oh, that one tore a little. And it is a gorgeous little set. Okay, and then you have this bell set here, and it's such a fun little strip that you can add to your projects. So let me show you what else I got here. And we have some fun candy canes. I'm sorry, I'm just gonna put this into the bag. So I have these little flat back candy canes, and they are not charms, but they are enamel. They're kind of like enamel kind of flatbacks, and I love these. I think you can add them to your sequence mix, and yeah, they're just fun. I've never seen them like this. You can make them into a charm, but they're so itty bitty. They're the size of my pinky, so yeah. And then I have these little clay bits, and I thought these were so interesting. I've never seen them before. They're kind of like the candles without the wick, and I thought these would be fun to add into projects or as a shaker. They are clay, and you get an array of different colors. Again, so fun for all year round seasonal projects. I also got these little enamel charms, and they do say Merry Christmas. And they're so cute. I love the little scenery. I also picked up these little beads, and they are glass beads with these kind of a holographic finish to the snowflake, and I love them. They come in different colors. They're so pretty. Okay, beads flying everywhere. And then I also have these little candy cane charms, and they're so pretty. I love them so much. Such a perfect little addition to this year's holiday crafting. I also have these little blue houses, and I already used a couple, so you know, I don't have many left, but they are so perfect for the new Christmas Sparkle collection. I love them. They are so darling. And then I have, again, I picked these up in the last one again, but I love them so much. They are these cabochon bases, and they are so pretty. They're heavy and sturdy, and they give you the bubbles. But these bubbles are not like any bubbles I've seen before. They are so perfectly like faceted. And I think it is a glass finish, so they make it extra fancy, you guys. So these are a great way to use those adorable images in your, you know, collections, and just to kind of make it a fun little charm, personalized charm. And then last but not least, I am obsessed with these Christmas trees. I got 2 packs of these, and I have to show you them. So they are these 3D little Christmas trees, and the best part is on the top of the bow, there is a little hole so you can make this a charm, and I can't wait to show you what I did with them. So I had purchased these clothespins, and they have the loops for like fun dangles or charms, and I think this is a great way to share some of your stash with your friends. And I prepped a couple of them just to show you. So I have this one here, and what I did was add a sentiment on top to give it a little bit extra, right? Because we are in holiday mode and it's all about the gift of giving. So then I added a little wire wrap bead. These are the 2 charms that I picked up with the this current package, and then I added a tassel, and I love how these came out. These are so stinking cute, and I think just adding the little sentiment on top just makes it a little bit more fun. And then I went and I took that fun little Christmas tree, and I just had to add it in the center. Look how darling that is. It is a fun way of just sending along a little bit of your stash, a little charm section, and kind of makes it a fun dangle or decoration to your packages. And look how stunning that chubby little Christmas tree is. I am obsessed with these. They're so cute, and the charms are so fun. They are just perfect little accents to your projects, and that little cheer is absolutely darling. And then I just made another one with a different sentiment. It says holly. Again, these are such a fun way to share your stash, and I will be back with another project share. I will leave product information down below and my discount code if you are interested in any of these products. Again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.